In this lesson, we are talking about comparing two texts. You should have just finished reading the story, The Rainforest. In that story, you learned about the animals, plants, and weather in tropical and temperate rainforest. Now you will read along with an expository text about the African savanna. As you read, I want you to be thinking about how the rainforest and savanna are alike and different. As we read, you may also want to take notes so that when you're done, you have some things to compare. Genre: expository text. Compare text. Read about a special region in Africa. African savannas. Plants and animals. A savanna is a special region in Africa. In this part of Africa, tall grasses grow. The savanna does not have groups of trees like in a forest. It has lots of single trees scattered across the grasslands. Acacia trees grow in the savanna. They have huge thorns. The leaves of this tree are a favorite food for giraffes. Baobab trees grow here too. They are some of the oldest trees in the world. They can grow to be as wide as a house. Just one baobab tree can be a home for lizards, snakes, frogs, and birds for their entire life. Many different kinds of animals live in the savanna. Zebras, lions, and meerkats all make the savanna their home. Herds of zebra roam the savanna. Here they are next to an acacia tree. There are more types of hoofed animals in the African savanna than anywhere else in the world. Elephants, antelopes, giraffes, buffaloes, and rhinos are just some of the hoofed animals found in the savanna. Seasons. Think about where you live. What is the weather like in each season? African savannas have a rainy season and a dry season. During the rainy season, it may rain for hours each day. The rain lasts for months. Then, there may be 5 months with no rain at all. An African savanna is near the equator, the imaginary line that is in the middle of Earth. That makes a savanna a warm location all year. A savanna is a special place filled with interesting animals and plants. Savannas cover more than 2/5 of Africa. Make connections. What makes an African savanna different? How are savanna's land features different from those of another region you have read about? Now for your respond to the text assignment, you will compare African savannas with the rainforest. How are the savanna's land features different from those of the rainforest? When you're looking at how things are different, you're contrasting them. Next, you'll need to look at how we can compare the two regions. When you compare something, you talk about how it's alike or how it's similar. Be sure to answer in complete sentences. This activity will help you with your upcoming test. Good luck.